This is a 1953 Smith Corona Sterling typewriter that has been refurbished and repainted, and it's ready to type. This 1953 Smith Corona Sterling has been refurbished and repainted in aqua color. Everything works on it as it should, and it types really great. The finish on it looks good from a distance, but if you look at it up close, there are quite a few spots in it where you can see the original paint had scrapes in it that show through. There's some spots back here where you can see the underlying original paint had gouges in it, and that shows through where it was not taken down to bare metal before it was repainted. But overall, it does look really nice. It's a nice aqua light blue color. This typewriter also comes with a reprinted user's manual and its original case, which is in fair condition. It's been cleaned and it's solid and it latches well. It's a wooden case that's covered with a tweed cloth, and the corners on it are bare where it's worn through. And there are a lot of scrapes and marks on it. That's for the 1953 Smith Corona Sterling typewriter.